This is our oil pressure sending unit. You need to unclip the sensor to remove the sender unit, and the filter should be under the switch. Using an oil pressure socket remover, we can now remove the switch. After digging around to find the filter, it appears my truck never had one. But if it did, you would need a pick or screwdriver to remove it. We tried placing a filter in the truck.
You did not have one before.
Because it went all the way in.
No, it's right there. It just stops right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Somebody like they forget to put it in.
The manufacturer.
Or somebody like they changed it before.
Oh no. Oh, this is gonna go down.
So after figuring out mine doesn't have a filter and the new one doesn't allow the oil sensor to fit, I decided to install the switch without the filter.
That is the one I was showing you. No, not that one. Not that one. No, not that one.
Yeah.
He's the backside.
That water.
He's a real jackaboo. No, not that one. It's tucked away. It's behind.
Alright. Let's help me put this thing into the... Alright, let me go and get the two on. You can flip it over and just pull out the two gaskets. Before installing our intake manifold, we clean the mating surface. After replacing our intake gaskets, link will be in the description below. We move on to the reinstallation of our intake manifold. Torque the intake manifold from the inside out with 89 inch-pounds. See the diagram now. Here is the intake manifold torque sequence. Connect all fuel injectors. Connect the fuel rail. Now we install the cover plate. Now we move on to reinstalling our throttle body. Finally, we install our intake pipe as well as our engine cover. Last, we install our battery.